Welcome to the new video where we will create a realistic curtain in Blender 2.83. So let's get started. So first of all, shift A and add a plane to make a ground, and then shift A to add another plane, and this will be our curtain. So rotate it with X at 90 degree. And now let's grab it a bit up and scale it with X, scale it with Z. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to go to edit mode with tab. So we need to add some loop cut. So for that, Control R and add a loop cut, and now right click to make it default. And now let's change this value to about 40. So that's it, we need 40. Okay, and now let's add two loops here. So one there at the top, and let's add another one something around there. And now let's Control R and add some random loops here to make it subdivided. Okay. So now go to the face selection and go to the front view with numpad 1. So double click on this edge loop and select it, and now let's leave the 3 and select the fourth one, and now let's again leave 3, select the fourth one. Okay, so that's it. Now let's grab this one to up to Y, but first we need to turn on the proportional editing, so it will make this thing a bit smoother, something like this. Now it's fine. Now go to edit mode again and let's select these faces. So we need to select this one and then this one, and let's X to delete only faces. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to shift A and add a cylinder. Now let's scale it with shift and X to make it only, shift and Z to make it only with the X and Y. And now let's scale it down something like this. Now let's grab it up right there, rotate it with Y at 90 degree, and let's scale it with X, grab it up, and now scale it with S and shift X to make it more thin. Now let's grab it to the Y a bit, let's grab it down, something like this might be perfect. So now select this one and add a simply subdivision modifier with level 1, so it makes this one a bit smoother. And now we need to add some physics. Okay, so first of all, go to the physics properties, and for this one let's add a cloth one, and for this one let's add a collision, and for this one also add a collision. Okay, but we need to add a group to pin these things. Okay, so go to the vertex selection and with left click drag this one and select these all, and let's go to the group properties and let's add a new group with assign it. Okay, so now we need to go to the physics setting and go down, and you will get an option shape. So in shape you will get this thing and make this one to group. Okay, and one more thing we need to do is to add a collision. The collision will be self collision. Okay, and let's grab this one to a bit up, something like this. And now if we play the animation, you will get an awesome result. Okay, so it's working fine, just it's not smooth, so select it and right click, make it smooth shade, and that's it. That is how to make a realistic curtain in Blender 2.83. So hope you guys like, and if you like then please give me a like and subscribe to your channel for supporting me. And for now, bye.